Hey guys, today's solution is actually a hair product. It's a solution for frizzy hair because my hair is what I would consider a genuine mess if I don't have or use some sort of product like a mousse or a gel or some other kind of styling product. Those are expensive and they get old, and I don't like to use them every day because I think they kind of dry out my hair and make it brittle. But if I don't have something, then it's kind of out of control, so frizzy. So enter coconut oil. I love coconut oil for cooking, for even as a moisturizer, but it can also be used to moisturize and kind of defrizz your hair. So all you need is, you can see this coconut oil, maybe you can see, has just a couple little chunks that are still hard because coconut oil is, it firms up at, I don't know, like 72 degrees or something, like, so at room temperature pretty much. So so you might need to just warm your oil. You need it to be liquid. And I'm just going to dip my fingers in because I don't need very much, and I can kind of rub it around, and I'm just going to kind of go for more of the just kind of run my fingers through my hair and kind of work more towards the ends as opposed to the roots. You could use this after a shower as a conditioner, but I'm using it here more as like a smoother. And if you've ever heard of a product called Silky, this would be very similar to that. But this is a great way to give your hair a break from anything harsh or any of those chemicals that we want to try to minimize. Give coconut oil a try for your hair. Enjoy.
Sign up for our newsletter now and you will get a free ebook with more than 49 natural health solutions. Sign up for our newsletter at gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter. Here are some solutions that you get: cold and flu fighting salve, easy headache relief, smoothie recipes, and 39 more pages with more natural remedies. For info on how to get that big book, then type gonaturalhealthy.com/newsletter into your browser right now and hit go. Or click on the link in the description below this video.